Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase threat detection with Palo Alto Networks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the Palo Alto Networks firewall interface. Log in with your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Device tab on the top menu. Select Log Settings from the left sidebar. Here, you will find options for configuring log forwarding. Choose the types of logs you want to forward, such as traffic, threat, or system logs. Next, go to the Objects tab and select Log Forwarding. Create a new log forwarding profile. Within this profile, specify the destinations for the logs, such as external syslog servers or cloud services. Ensure you configure the format for log messages to meet your needs. After setting up the forwarding profile, return to the Device tab. Select Log Forwarding under the Log Settings. Assign your new log forwarding profile to the appropriate log types. Next, implement threat prevention profiles. Go to the Policies tab and select Security. Create a new security policy or edit an existing one. In the Actions section, enable Threat Prevention. Select the appropriate threat prevention profile that you previously created or adjust the default settings. Make sure to enable antivirus, anti-spyware, and vulnerability protection features to enhance detection capabilities. Once the threat protection features are enabled, apply the changes. Next, monitor the logs in real time via the Monitor tab. Select Logs and then choose Threat. Review the detected threats and analyze patterns for optimization. To further enhance detection, consider employing advanced features like machine learning. Enable machine learning in the Advanced Threat Prevention settings. This feature will help in identifying unknown threats by analyzing traffic patterns. Finally, ensure you regularly update your threat signatures. Go to the Device tab and click on Dynamic Updates. Schedule automatic updates to maintain the latest threat definitions. By following these steps, you will significantly increase your threat detection capabilities with Palo Alto Networks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.